Video editing used to feel like a never-ending grind where you spent hours manually trimming silences, syncing captions, and cleaning up audio. We all dreaded those repetitive, soul-crushing tasks, but luckily, AI has stepped in to handle the boring stuff like auto-captioning and smart scene selection. However, with so many apps claiming they have AI, choosing the right editor for your specific workflow can actually be quite overwhelming. If you pick the wrong tool, you're going to get frustrated within the first hour and probably never open that app again. Today, I'm breaking down 5 essential editing tools to show you what they excel at, where they struggle, and which one you should download. I'll also demonstrate how Vizard fits into the mix, because it is a total game changer for turning long videos into short viral clips without the effort. First, let's talk about Adobe Premiere Pro, which is the undisputed industry standard for professional video work. In 2026, it received a massive AI glow-up that includes advanced masks for objects and automatic speech-to-text transcription. The software is incredibly powerful, but it comes with a steep learning curve that might be intimidating for beginners. While it is a powerhouse, the subscription cost can feel like overkill if your primary goal is just pumping out daily social clips. Furthermore, Premiere isn't designed to automatically find the best 30-second moments from a 2-hour stream, which is exactly where Vizard thrives. Next up is Movavi Video Editor, which is perfect for creators who want professional-looking results without the massive complexity. It offers fantastic features like AI-powered text tracking and hundreds of stylish presets that make your videos look polished instantly. The drag-and-drop interface is so intuitive that you can realistically start editing your first project within 10 minutes. While Movavi is great for speed, it isn't built to automate an entire content calendar, so that's where Vizard complements it perfectly. Third on our list is CapCut Desktop, which is an absolute essential if you focus mainly on short-form content for platforms like TikTok. It essentially feels like a mobile app brought to the desktop, making the user interface feel fast and very familiar. The speech recognition and one-click captioning are shockingly accurate, which saves a massive amount of time during the final touches. However, CapCut starts to struggle when you move into multi-hour projects or require truly advanced color grading and sound design. Just like the others, it won't automatically hunt for your best clips across dozens of long-form videos, which is why Vizard is the missing link. Fourth, we have Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve, a professional-grade software that combines editing, color grading, and visual effects in one place. This tool is used by Hollywood professionals, so the power available at your fingertips is truly ridiculous. The catch is the extreme complexity, as getting truly comfortable with Resolve can take weeks or even months of dedicated practice. If you are a single-person channel trying to crank out daily content, Resolve can sometimes feel overwhelming and slow compared to simpler tools. Finally, we have Adobe After Effects, which is less of a standard timeline editor and more of a creative powerhouse for motion graphics. If you want to make your content stand out with custom intros or Hollywood-style effects, this is the tool to learn. But remember, After Effects isn't where you want to live for basic cutting or managing your social media publishing schedule. The smartest move is to let Vizard generate the bite-sized clips, which you then import into After Effects for a final professional touch. Ultimately, the reason most creators fail is that they struggle to extract viral moments and publish them consistently across platforms. Vizard automatically scans your long-form videos, picks the most engaging parts, and turns them into ready-to-post social content. You can set your desired posting frequency, and Vizard will auto-schedule the clips while managing everything in one convenient calendar. This means you stop manually hunting for good takes and stop the endless cycle of exporting and uploading videos one by one. Vizard doesn't aim to replace your main editor, but rather to make your life exponentially easier and your output significantly more consistent. If you're just starting, try Movavi for quick results, or if you're a seasoned pro, stick with Premiere and add Vizard to scale. Start where you are right now, but always have a plan for repurposing your content because that is the real lever for your long-term growth. Ask yourself if your current tool will handle your needs in 2 years, and if the answer is no, build a better pipeline today. Drop a comment below and tell me which editor you are using or which one you are planning to try after watching this. My personal combo is Premiere for the main edits and Vizard for handling the heavy lifting of repurposing and scheduling my clips. It saves me hours every single week. So stop overthinking, start creating, and happy editing to all of you.